This is the story of the evolution of the ClimateRight system. My name is Bill Shady. I'm a professional mechanical engineer and the founder of Sustainable Design and Product Management, SDPM. When I started SDPM, I knew I wanted to be part of the re-emerging renewable energy movement. I decided to focus my engineering practice on energy-efficient HVAC systems with emphasis on solar thermal integrated, domestic hot water, and radiant hydronic space heating and cooling. I believe radiant hydronic heating is the healthiest and most energy-efficient form of heating and cooling. However, I quickly realized a market opportunity when I discovered that the industry was fragmented due to problems stemming from a shortage of qualified installers, poor equipment performance, and lack of standardization. The fact is, for the most part, every installation was different from the last one and likely different than the next. Compounding the problem was the perception that radiant hydronic systems were deemed too complicated because it was unfamiliar technology to many contractors, and every system had to be custom designed and fabricated at each project. There was no appliance on the market that could meet all these needs like a furnace in the forced air industry. It wasn't until April of 2008 when I tackled the challenge of designing and installing solar-assisted radiant heating in an 800-year-old mill on a tiny Mediterranean island that I realized I was already developing the solution. An American businessman who owned the mill, along with a vineyard and an olive orchard, hired SDPM to design and had the system built in subassemblies in a fabrication facility in Santa Cruz, California. He had it shipped in containers to Rome, then Sicily, and finally out to the island. While trudging the equipment up a steep hill, I got the inspiration for the ClimateRight system. It would have been so much more efficient, I reasoned, to have had a complete pre-assembled packaged appliance rather than a container full of parts. When I returned from Italy, I began work on the ClimateRight system. A simple engineered equipment package in a single insulated cabinet that could be built under factory conditions and manufacturing standards, tested for leaks and functional controls, and then shipped to the project site, including and especially suited for remote locations. This ClimateRight system is a solar-assisted air-to-water heat pump with radiant floor heating, chilled water air conditioning, and high-output domestic hot water, the most efficient HVAC and domestic hot water heating appliance on the market. If you'd like to learn more about how you can offer the ClimateRight system to your clients, please visit my website, sustainabledesignpm.com, for more information.